The Tufts University women's basketball team advanced to its third straight NCAA Final Four, following wins over Albright and Scranton last weekend.
We knew it was possible to make it back to the Final Four from the day we lost in last March to Thomas More in the Final Four. Every year it's a goal of ours to make it back to the NCAA tournament and do as well as possible, and this year was no different. We knew that if we put in the work over the summer and in preseason and every day in practice, that it was a very attainable goal, and we've always believed in ourselves and in each other, and there's never been a doubt in my mind about this team.
The Jumboes went on the road to Pennsylvania for the NCAA third and quarterfinal rounds, where they posted a 62-49 win over Albright and a 57-48 victory at Scranton.
So this past weekend we had two really tough opponents in Albright and Scranton. I think our coaches did a really great job of giving us a scout beforehand, so we had time to look ahead and know that they had two really good post players in Albright, and our guards would have to work hard to get into the lane and really pass out, looking for our shooters and trying to look into Michaela and Melissa. But I think overall just the amount of time that our coaches put in to scouting and the amount of time we put into working towards that really helped us beat Albright. And it's kind of hard to prepare for the second game because you don't know if you're going to make it that far or which team you're going to be playing. So I think Friday night in the hotel room, as soon as we realized we were playing Scranton, we knew it was going to be a tough opponent, especially with them having home court advantage. So we just worked really hard, got the scout as soon as possible, and the next day got in at shoot-around and went through all their plays, trying to really get to know them as an opponent. And we knew coming into the game that the gym was going to be rocking. There were so many people there, obviously not cheering for us, so that was a hard thing for us to do, and we just had to keep our composure and work towards winning the game, and we knew that they were going to be just as hard an opponent, if not harder, and I think that really helped us boost our energy. We really had to bring our own energy coming from the bench and on the court, since everyone in the gym was rooting against us, so I think we had to really dig deep and find that energy internally, and I think we were able to do it and pull out the win.
The Jumboes are now preparing to play Wartburg in the NCAA semifinals on Saturday in Columbus, Ohio.
Yeah, using that experience from the Final Four is very vital to our team, and especially being able to get through the tournament to this level has given us a lot of experience, and also just knowing what it's like to be on that national stage, I think is something that is very invaluable, and going into this weekend is going to be a really big advantage. Then again, it's another gym, it's just taking games one at a time and just playing to our full potential and preparing. And I think we've done this a few times, so hopefully this Final Four will be more successful than the previous ones.
Being a part of the success that we've had has been incredible. I think we're really lucky to come into a program where we had talented classes above us that really paved the way for the program's success. I know when I think about my favorite college moments and memories, I think of our Final Four weekends and moments like when Liz Moynihan hit that buzzer beater shot to send us into the Sweet 16 a couple years ago. So this team has gotten to share in a lot of special memories together, and I think we've really enjoyed those moments. We joke that we've gotten to visit places that we probably never would have seen before, like Grand Rapids, Michigan, Wisconsin, and this year Columbus, Ohio. So we're lucky to see those places, and it's about focusing on the basketball, but it's also about enjoying those experiences and those moments that we've had together.